Okay, Nate, what does this actually mean though for investors? If you're listening to this and you're like, well, I want to invest, but all the prices are coming down, I still can't buy because interest rate is high, or I want to do syndication, I want to do a multifamily. What does this mean for those people, Nate?
Yeah, so a couple of things. Interest rate, that's like a number not to fixate on, because that's a number if you went out and took new financing from a bank, but you don't have to go to the bank and get financing. In fact, Steve, this is something that you and I cover a lot, but I'm just going to shed light for everyone else. Right now in America, 75% of houses either have no mortgage on them or they have a sub 4% mortgage rate. 75%. Now, 38% of all houses in America, they don't have any mortgage at all. A lot of people don't understand that. They don't know that. They assume that everybody has debt on their property. The reality is that it's not that case. So what does that mean? If someone has no debt on their property, or if someone has a low interest rate on their property and they want to sell, you might be able to structure a deal directly with them where you buy the property from them and you make the payments to them, the seller, instead of having to go to a new bank and taking on a new loan. Steve and I were able to close on a 49 unit building not that long ago where we were paying the payments directly to the seller, 5% interest, long-term fixed note. We bought a beautiful property about 4 months ago in the historic district of Louisville, Kentucky. Same thing, 4.3% rate. We assumed the seller's existing mortgage. We bought another one before that. So like these aren't coming up like rarely, they're coming up often,
Often.
as long as you know how to have the conversation with the seller.